In this video, I am going to tell about that from where can you prepare the puzzles that are commonly asked in data science interview. So let's get started. We are talking about the puzzles, and the most important thing is that puzzles are commonly asked in the data science and machine learning interview. Not only that, if you are also preparing for the software engineering interview, then the puzzles is the common part of the interview. So the question is now that from where to read the puzzles. But before explaining from where to read the puzzles, let me tell you that how should you explain the puzzles if you are asked in the interview. So if any puzzle is asked in the interview, then you don't directly go to the answer. The thing is that you have to tell the approach. The interviewer is interested at how you are going to solve the problem in smaller steps. So you have to divide the problem into smaller steps, tell your approach, like how you are going to solve it, how you approach to the answer. So that's what interviewer is interested in. And if you tell the interviewer your answer directly, then he knows that you are already familiar with this problem. So that's not a very awesome thing to do. If you are asked any puzzles that you know or don't know, what you have to do is that you have to start thinking from the basics. If you know any hint, then you can ask the interviewer that can you give any hint, or like is any information is provided or not. So by this way you can easily start to solve that problem. Now the question is, from where should you read the puzzles? So if you want to prepare the puzzles for the interview, the best YouTube channels that I recommend is the Logically Yours. Yes, Logically Yours has the many puzzles that are asked in the very popular companies interview like Google, Netflix, Facebook, and many other companies too. It has puzzles in the form of videos, and the explanation is also given in that. But what I recommend is, if you are preparing from this site, then what you have to do is you have to prepare 2-3 puzzles every day. Don't watch each puzzle on a single day. So what you have to do is you have to solve 2-3 puzzles every day, and in the meanwhile what will happen that your understanding will develop that how to solve the puzzle, how to tackle this problem. And while solving puzzles from this YouTube channel, what you have to do is you have to see the questions, and first you need to apply your thinking for 5 to 10 minutes and then see the answer. That's how we are going to learn how to solve the new puzzles if asked in the interview. But let me tell you one thing, that most of the puzzles that have been asked are already been given on this YouTube channel. Geeks for Geek is one of the best things for preparing puzzles for interview. Now the Geeks for Geeks site has also a lot of puzzles that have been commonly asked, and you have to do the same thing. Don't go directly to the answer. First try to solve it and do it slowly. Like you don't need to solve all the puzzles in a single day. Okay, so really you need to do is you have to develop your thinking, you have to develop your skills on how you are going to explain the puzzles. Have mock interview with your friends and then tell them to ask the same puzzles, and you should explain them and ask whether they were able to understand that thing or not. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are interested in more data science concept and interview related things. Thanks for watching.